General Dynamics UK has completed production of the 100th Ajax armoured vehicle for the British Army. The vehicle, built to the latest standard, is set to enter service with the Household Cavalry Regiment. The Ajax program, launched in 2010, involves the delivery of 589 vehicles in multiple variants for the British Army's strike brigades. The project is valued at £5.5 billion. The most recently completed vehicle features a turret-mounted 40mm cannon. The UK has ordered a total of 245 Ajax reconnaissance vehicles with this armament, alongside 50 Apollo repair vehicles, 93 Ares armored personnel carriers, 112 Athena command vehicles, 38 Atlas recovery vehicles and 51 Argus engineering reconnaissance vehicles. As of March this year, the UK Ministry of Defence has officially accepted 91 Ajax family vehicles. A total of 446 units are scheduled for delivery between 2024 and 2028. The remaining 143 vehicles, already built, will be upgraded to the final operational standard by 2029. Peak production capacity is expected in 2027, with 125 vehicles due to be delivered that year. Deliveries of Ajax vehicles were suspended in 2020 due to design flaws. Issues included excessive noise and vibration affecting soldier health, as well as dimensional inaccuracies and poor weapon system accuracy. Following resolution of these problems in 2023, deliveries and payments resumed. The continued production marks a significant recovery for a program that faced several years of technical challenges.